Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Canon camera to your Android, because ever since the how to connect your Canon camera to your iPhone video, you guys have been asking me how do you do the same thing for your Android, so enjoy. Alright guys, so I have my Android and I have my Canon camera. This is the Canon ELPH 360HS if you care, but it doesn't really matter, it can work for pretty much all of your Canon cameras. So now we're going to just turn on our phone. And then you go to the App Store. And then what you want to do is you want to search Canon Camera Connect. Oh, my bad. Then it's hit right here. Press install. It's installing. Okay, so it's installed. So open. Okay, so you have to just go through here and you scroll. And then after you scroll, it will put agree. You have to create a Canon ID. So I'm gonna go ahead and just log in and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished creating my Canon ID. So now I'm now signed in. So then if you press next, then you have to also scroll and then you click agree. I'll just click not agree because I don't like notifications. And then when we register your camera, click right there. And then boom, it'll ask you for your camera. So now you have to search up your camera. Actually, it's ELPH. So yeah, so this is mine right here. An ELPH. So Wi-Fi. So click next. This is just for like if you want it to like access your device's location. I'm just gonna put while using the app. So now it's asking you to turn on your camera. So then you have to turn on your camera. So I already kind of took a photo I want to transfer. So I click here. And then I click this little button right here. So it's already connected to my iPhone. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna put connect to smartphone. Add a device. So that's the Wi-Fi I have to connect to. So you have to click right here and say my camera is not ready to connect. So you have to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So you have to do is you have to go back and then you go to settings. And then you go to Wi-Fi. And then see it's right there, iQueeneth. Then you put in the password. Oh, I think I put it wrong. 9617056. Oh, I forgot to put the 7. Okay. So now I can connect. And now it's connected. So then I go back to the Canon app. I'm not gonna waste time. Okay, so now this pops up. It says select the camera so it recognizes it. And then so this will pop up. It says connected smart device can now operate camera and access images on memory card. So you have to click yes. So it's just connecting. So click yes. And then you can now, so boom, the camera connection is successful. Register camera. I'll just register later. Okay. So now you can either control it from here or just send one photo, or you can just go to import images and all your photos are here. So these are all my photos. So yeah. So you can either download this one and then you click how many you want. Let's say I want this one. I want this one. 1, 2. You click import. So you can either have it as reduced, but me, I don't really like to do that, so I just click no, and then delete location information. I also say yes, because I don't really trust it, not gonna lie. So I click OK. So it's saving right now. And then boom, I go out, I go back here, and I have to go to my gallery to see the photos. Recent, and it's right here on my recent. I just disconnect when you're done. It's my camera, yes. And then so it's disconnected. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So that's pretty much how you connect your Android to your Canon camera. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.